Getting ugly. I should probably leave.
Here, why don't you have some more buns, since we all know you had to pay for that ass? Well, at least I have an ass, unlike you. Well, I'd rather have no ass than a botched one.
She can afford a BBL and a fast food salary? Are you guys hiring?
Oh, we're about to be hiring, because I'm about to lose my job beating this bitch up. If you even put one finger on me, I'm gonna kick your... You didn't turn off the machine, did you? Well, you did say you always do it. Why, you little...
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but can I get another cookie?
Here.
Oh, thank you. I don't know, but it scared me. Sounded like somebody like crashing into something. Hey, sorry to interrupt, but can I get another cookie? What was that? All the things in the way.
God, will you get off your power trip? God, will you get off your power trip and quit acting like... Ugh.
I need another cough drop.
God, will you get off your little power trip and quick
The cough drop got caught in my teeth and I couldn't talk.
God, will you get off your little power trip and quit acting? You make the same hourly rate. Oh, God. If you even put one finger on me, wait, what? I am always fixing all your problems. Wait.
Oh, I should probably put that away now that my vacation's over.
Okay. Don't look at me like that. You know I can't afford to go on another trip right now. And we just spent 5 wonderful weeks together. Doesn't that mean anything? I know, I wish it was longer too, but I have to get back to work. I have bills to pay. It's just not responsible for me to go on another trip right after getting back from one. Look, I know it sucks to sit in this closet for months on end wondering if you're ever gonna come out again, but what am I supposed to do? Don't you dare! You know I work hard for you. For us. But to take 2 trips back to back in this economy? People will talk. I know you don't care what people say, but I have a reputation to uphold. Now enough is enough. No more trips for 6 months minimum. Do you understand? Okay, fine, let's go to the Bahamas.
Have you ever been on your period and thought, gee, I really wish I could sit in my own uterine lining all day? Then try period panties. Why use something disposable when you can keep everything you've bled right here with you all day long until you get home? Sure, you can change it for another pair, but then you have to carry period-soiled underwear with you all day and pray to God that nobody asks, do you guys smell that? So make sure to buy multiple pairs and don't forget to do your laundry, because if you do, you're shit out of luck. But if bleeding out of your cooter for days on end just does not sound appealing to you, you can use birth control to stop it. All you have to do is take a trip to the doctor and hope that your body reacts well to it. Because if your body doesn't, you are in for some horrible side effects that are gonna make you wish you never even went on birth control in the first place. For starters, say goodbye to that clear skin of yours, because these suckers will tear your face up and no amount of facial creams are gonna make it stop. I hope you bought some stretchy pants as well, because you're gonna gain 5 to 10 pounds minimum, and no amount of exercise or dieting is gonna get rid of it. And if you thought your mood swings were bad before you started messing with your hormones, oh boy, do I have a surprise for you. You are literally going to feel like you are going insane. And let's not forget about the other side effects such as nausea, fatigue, insomnia, depression, anxiety, bloating, cramping, headaches, tender breasts, and of course, an increased risk of blood clotting. Still looking for another option? Well, you can just go to the extreme and have your uterus ripped out. Sure, almost no doctor will agree to do it, even if you have actual medical problems that warrant a hysterectomy. But you'll spend hundreds of dollars going to appointments just to be told you have to keep your raging uterus because of hypothetical children you might have one day. Don't want kids? Well, your future spouse might, so go yourself. Which leads me to our final way to stop a period. Pregnancy. Say goodbye to bleeding once a month and say hello to morning sickness, weird food cravings, and a baby sitting on your bladder for months. Sure, this option is only temporary, but the stretch marks you'll gain from it will stay with you for life. And once again, I am not talking to you, God's favorite. We already know your skin elasticity is top tier, but not everybody else won the genetics lottery like you did, okay? But like I was saying, for 9 months, you can stop your uterine lining from shedding out of your body. And in return, you get to have the responsibility of taking care of another human being for a minimum of 18 years. And you wanna know what the best part is? After pregnancy, your period is gonna come right back. And sometimes, it comes back even worse than it was before you had a baby. Isn't it fun having a uterus? So call today and pick your poison, because if there's one thing periods know how to do, it's cramp your style. Happy bleeding. Gee, I really wish I could sit in the lining of my own uterus. Wait. Gee, I really wish I could spend all day sitting. And of course, an increased risk for blood clot. And of course, an increased risk for blood. And of course, the increased risk of. And of course, the increased risk. And of course, your risk is. Sure, this option is temporary. Sure, this option is temporary, but the stretch mark. Sure, this option is Sure.
My dear, sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for.
Here's your receipt, sir. Have a good day. Next! How's your day going, ma'am? Pretty good, actually. It started off not so great, but it's gotten better, and after this I get to go home and just relax the rest of the night. Did a cat sit on your chest or something? What? Oh, no, that's just human hair. I'm a hairstylist, and I just got off work, so that's gross. You know, I gotta say, I'm really enjoying this date. Me too. So tell me more about yourself. What do you do for work? I'm a hairstylist. What about you? A hairstylist? Wow. Wait, do you cut men's hair too? Yeah, most of my clients are men actually. So, does that mean you're gonna give me a free haircut then? You could do it at my place. So you're suggesting I spend my day off driving across town to your place to cut your hair for free? Sounds good to me. Oh, come on, you at least told me that after buying you dinner. Hairstylist. Wait, what do you guys do for work again? I'm a software engineer, and I'm a nurse. I'm a hairstylist. Okay, quick question. Do you know why my ends are so dry, and what can I do to fix it? Ooh, and can you tell me how to get rid of my dandruff? It's been driving me crazy. I went to a hairstylist last week, and she charged me $400 for this. Is that normal? Is it true that if you pull out a gray hair, 2 will grow back? I straighten my hair every day, and it always ends up going back curly. What am I doing wrong? Why is my scalp always so oily? Do you think this color would look good on me? What shampoo should I be using? What's a biolage?
Megara. My friends call me Meg, at least they would if I had any friends. So, did they give you a name along with all those rippling pectorals? Are you always this articulate?
Hercules. My name is Hercules.
Hercules? I think I prefer Wonder Boy.
So, how'd you get mixed up with the...
Pinhead with hooves? Well, you know how men are. They think no means yes, and get lost means take me, I'm yours.
Excuse me? Yes? When am I gonna be seen? I've been waiting here for almost an hour. I'm sorry about that. Can I get your name? Belinda Harper. Oh, there you are. Well, Mrs. Harper, it looks like your appointment is at 12 p.m. Okay, and it's only 11 a.m., so you're an hour early. So, it's not like anybody else is here, just take me back now. Ma'am, while the reception area is empty, the doctor is currently with patients right now, so you're gonna have to wait. The doctor here always takes me back early. We've known each other for years. I don't care if you donated a kidney to Dr. Briggs! You are getting past this reception area until that clock hits 12! Ugh. All right, just go ahead and have a seat and somebody will be with you shortly, okay? Oh, thank